Hey guys, this is Smitty from PureProductionz, and I'm making a tutorial on installing IPB today. IPB is by Envision Power Services. It stands for Envision Power Board. It does require a license to have. Um, all you need is web hosting and the IPB files. You can download them after you purchase a license on envisionpowerservices.com. So once you have all your files, you just want to highlight them all, send to compressed zip folder. This will compress them into a zip document. It may take a while, but just let it do what it has to do. Um, Occasionally you'll get an error saying that hooks was not added. It's because it is empty until you install some hooks onto your board. It can mess up the process of the compression. In order to fix it, just delete the hooks file and then recompress the files. Now that we have our files, we're going to go to our cPanel and then to our file manager, to our public HTML. We're going to go to the folder you wish to install it in, and we're going to upload. We're going to browse for our files and select it. It will start the upload automatically, and this is a process that may take a while depending on who your host is. If you guys need a free host, you can go to breezehost.co.uk. They have a variety of free hosting and post-to-host hosting. Okay, once we're done, we're going to go back to our public HTML and unzip the archive. Now that that's done, we're going to go to the link of the forum. You may get some errors here. Just do what they say. So the file does not exist, config global.php. That's because I don't have it. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was something wrong with what I had. The error is fixed, so now we can press next. Done. Here's you can choose the IPS applications. I usually don't use the portal because I use a third-party add-on called the Unreal Portal. Here we have our install address, should be set already, and install directory, that is already set. Now we have the database, so we have to go create a database. To do this, back to your main cPanel, go down to databases and MySQL databases. Now here's where we create our new database. So just enter a name that you will remember. And then we have to make a user for it. So create a user. I usually use the same name. And then create your password. Now we have to add them together, so that way they match each other. So we add the user to the database. All privileges, sorry. Now we're back, we take our database and we copy it into the database name and the SQL username. Now the SQL host is localhost. That's not always the same. Occasionally it will be different, and you'll see what the host is here under the create new database section. And then enter the password. Now we create our admin account. Now we do the installation. We go to next, and then we press start installation. And for the sake of time, I'm going to pause this recording until it's finished. Now here it is. Here's our forum. I will bring more tutorials on how to use the forums, installing add-ons, installing hooks, creating forums, creating user groups, and everything. If you have any suggestions or need help with any of this, send me a PM.